Located at the heart of Petitenget, Umasari House is a prestigious residential area. In addition, they also want their house to be designed based on Feng Shui, especially for spatial planning in the building plan. We will be taken up by the entrance in the middle of the building. Then, we will be greeted by the foyer area connected to the stairs to the second floor on the left side and the living room on the right side. Umasari House ends with a swimming pool and a large back garden, according to the owner's request. Moreover, the many openings allow sunlight to enter freely into the building and make it healthier for the users inside. In addition, we also designed every room in Umasari House with a high ceiling. Not only for rooms on the ground floor but also on the second floor. Moreover, the living area has a double height ceiling. At least, this height in the interior makes this dwelling less massive and more spacious. The combination of natural material and glass walls defines the tropical modern style very well. It's a great way to interpret Bali from a house design. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.